Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make katsu curry. First, let me show you the ingredients that you will need for this recipe. For the tonkatsu, you will need 2 pounds of pork loin, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 large egg, 1/4 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Add your oil to a medium saucepan over medium heat. On top of the rice, add your tonkatsu and pour your curry on top. And if you like, you can add some Japanese mayo and some katsu curry sauce. Once your oil has been heated, go ahead and add your onion, garlic, and ginger. Also, please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Cook this down about 5 minutes or until your onions are nice and translucent. Now add your curry powder, cumin, turmeric, and cayenne pepper. Cook this on low for about 1 to 2 minutes or until your spices are nice and fragrant. Now add your diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, and water. Bring this to a boil and then reduce heat to low and let it simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, go ahead and blend this using an immersion blender. If you don't have an immersion blender, you can go ahead and use a regular blender, but be careful because it is hot. Once you have finished blending, go ahead and add your coconut milk and brown sugar. Mix this around and let it simmer for about 5 more minutes. Now add your apple cider vinegar and mix it around. Now let's go ahead and thicken our sauce. In a small bowl, mix together your cornstarch and water. Slowly whisk this into your curry and cook this on medium heat until thickened. Season with some salt and pepper to taste and set this to the side. 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, vegetable oil for frying, and 1/2 cup of water. For the curry, you will need 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1/2 tablespoon of cumin, 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric. All right, now that we have all of our ingredients, let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and start our tonkatsu. Once your oil has been heated, go ahead and add your tonkatsu and cook about 3 to 4 minutes on each side or until golden brown. Go ahead and remove your tonkatsu from the pan and place them on a wire rack. Now, if you want to get fancy, you can go ahead and broil these in the oven at 400 degrees for about 5 minutes, but I do have an oven, so I'm just pan fry mine. Now go ahead and add about a tablespoon of oil to your pan on low heat and we cook. Off the tonkatsu for about 5 to 6 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees. Add your flour to a shallow dish. In another shallow dish, mix together your salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Set this to the side. Now add your egg and milk to a separate shallow dish and mix it up. This is be our dredging station over here, so we take our pork loin and we just cut it up into these little patties. Once you finish cutting up your pork loin, go ahead and get it in between the flour and the egg mixture. Make sure both sides are nice and coated. Now go ahead and roll it in the breadcrumbs and make sure again both sides are nice and coated. Once you have finished coating both sides, go ahead and set them to the side. Now, once you have finished preparing all of your tonkatsu, go ahead and heat up some oil in a large pan or skillet over medium-high heat. While your tonkatsu is cooking away, let's go ahead and start our curry. All right, now that our tonkatsu and our curry are finished, let's go ahead and plate this up. Add your rice to a bowl. Well, thank you so much for watching. Really hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, please leave a thumbs up.